Hello folks, today's video is on the basic concept of data science, that is, what is data? So, data is just a collection of facts, and these facts can be numbers, audio, video, even the text, messages, your social media posts, and even the transcript of this video. Everything around you provides and generates data. To get it relative, in every moment of time, yes, even you are generating data. How so? For example, you walk from place A to place B. In that moment of time, where from when you walk, data is generated, like how much steps you take, how much calories you burned while walking, what was your breathing rate during that duration, and so on. Similarly, data is very versatile. It can be everywhere, anywhere, all at once. Data comes in variety, as I have told earlier. It can be texts, audio, videos, field notes, pictures, documents, transcripts, numbers, measurements, etc. etc. Now, data is something which can be different depending on your area of research. Let's take an example. For example, you are working on a fitness app, right? In that case scenario, your data will be how much calories are burnt, how much walk, how much steps you took during the day, or like what was your diet, categorical. And in second scenario, for example, you are working on a project that is the impact of carbon dioxide emissions on global temperature. In that case scenario, what will be your data? It would be like how much CO2 emissions happened during the year, what was the sources, what was the global rise in temperature, and so on, right? So depends. Data exclusively depends on what type of research or project or work you are working upon, right? And that's all, folks. Thanks for watching this video and enjoy the journey of data science.